When it comes to dealing with debt collectors that are attorneys or attorneys acting as debt collectors or attorneys that's collecting debt on behalf of a client, it's important for you to know that you need to use language that they comprehend. So there's a debt collection letter below. It's called the Volunteer Non-Fit Injure. This speaks directly to attorneys. So if you have an attorney that's acting as a debt collector, collecting debt on behalf of someone, or they are the debt buyer or collector themselves, you want to send them the Volunteer Non-Fit Injure. This letter will stop attorney in their tracks, and we've seen a 100% success rate when we are directly speaking to attorneys that are debt collectors or acting as debt collectors, or they're collecting debt on behalf of a client. So use the letter below when it comes to attorneys, okay?